Ladies and gentlemen, you remember me? Long time?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, today I'm installing this BeautyForever unit. I will be installing this on my sister actually. In today's video, we're not going to be doing a ball cap method. We're just going to do the regular cap just because everybody don't know how to use the actual ball cap method. And I feel like honestly it's unnecessary. So here's the unit. The unit is pre-plucked, and as you can see, the lace is immaculate. I did bleach the knots a little bit. It already came pre-bleached and pre-plucked, so you don't necessarily have to do that. You can skip this step. Now this unit is 20 inches and it's in their Kinky curly. Here I'm just outlining where I want to put the glue. I'm only gonna be doing a glue in the middle of her head just because she's not using this unit for a very long time. Technically she's going to be taking it off kind of after this video. So with her having long sideburns, I'm just going to be using the spray method instead of an actual adhesive. And here I'm just marking where I want to put everything. This is a makeup pencil that's just going to be able to, you know, be removed. So you can try this step if it helps. Yeah. So for this application process, I'm just going to be using 2 layers of DerikaDashay glue. I will have that link down below if you guys are interested. I really do love this glue. I use it on all my clients. Technically, I think you're supposed to use about 4 layers for an extra strong hold, but like I said, she's going to be removing this unit, so I'm only going to be doing 2 layers of this glue. Once you move on to the next layer, you want to make sure that the first layer that you previously did is all the way clear, and then you want to reapply another layer. Like I said, I'm going to only be doing 2 layers, so this would be my last one. You will add an additional 2 layers, or maybe just a 3rd layer, depending on how long you would like your unit to last. Now we're just going to place that on and let it melt. So here, as you can see, I took the melting band off. I wanted to keep the baby hairs as natural as possible, pretty much like what would mimic, you know, 4C hair or kinky curly hair in general. So I only used just like a light move. So I didn't do like an extra, you know, strong hold. And then I just did the baby hairs not perfect at all, just because again I wanted to go for that super natural look. So once it dries, I'm going to be able to fluff them out, and it's going to look a little bit more realistic, like it's her hair, if that makes sense.
Oh my god.
Ladies and gentlemen.